Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your access was restricted due to policy violations on Google account. So guys, if you're also facing this problem on your Google account and you are unable to access some services on your Google account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, as we search this problem on Google account, here you can see the answer how your Google services were restricted. So guys, here you can see this. We sometimes restrict feature access when multiple or severe violations of the Google Maps are identified. So guys, as you can read this, if you violate any community guidelines on your Google account, then your access to some features can be restricted. So guys, here I will show you how can you fix it. This is very basic and simple. You have to simply tap on review restrictions from here if you are facing this problem. So guys, after this you will see this appearance. You have to simply tap on submit appeal from here. So guys, here you can see the submit appeal button. You have to simply tap on this, and after this you will get a box to submit your appeal to the Google team. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, that you have not violated any community guidelines, but still you are facing this problem and you are unable to access some features on your Google account. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this you have to simply submit this appeal to the Google team, and they will review your account. And after this, if you have not violated any community guidelines, then your access will be granted in every feature. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.